Newton's law of gravitation. According to the Newton's law of gravitation, the force of attraction between two bodies is, in order to explain the Newton's law of gravitation, what I'm going to do, I'm going to consider two bodies of masses m1 and m2, and they are separated by r distance apart. And if I consider that situation, then the first point will be the force of attraction between two bodies is directly proportional to the product of the masses of the bodies. Now let's write the mathematical expression, and if we do that, we will write F is directly proportional to m1 times m2, and this is my equation 1. And the second point is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them, and let's write the mathematical expression, and if we do that, we will write F is inversely proportional to r square, or I should say F is directly proportional to 1 over r square, and this is my second equation. Now let's combine these two equations. So if we do that, we will write F is directly proportional to m1 times m2 over r square. In order to remove this proportionality sign, what I'm going to do, I'm going to consider a constant. So we will write F is equal to g m1 m2 over r square, and this is basically the Newton's law of gravitation, where g is known as the universal gravitational constant, and the value of g is 6.67 times 10 to the power negative 11 Newton meter square per kilogram square. So basically this is the Newton's law of gravitation, where g is the universal gravitational constant, m1 and m2 are the two masses, and these two masses are separated by r distance apart. And this is how we define the Newton's law of gravitation.